Hi there and welcome back to How Do You Do That on Kinemaster. In today's episode, I am going to show you some of my very favorite time savers. So let's get started. Number one, my very favorite time saver is actually the favorites bar. So we're going to click on media. And from there, we're just going to go ahead and click on favorites. Now in here, I have my intros and my outros. So they're always easy for me to get to. So there it is already. I don't have to go ahead and remake it. It's already set. I'm going to go ahead and click the check mark, scroll that back, and you can see it's already set. I also have my outro saved up there as well. So it makes it really, really simple. I don't have to remake it. I don't have to redo an intro or an outro every time. It's always just saved right up there. I can pop it in wherever I want. Okay, so another favorite I have, we'll call this favorite number 2, is my subscribe overlay. Most people have a subscribe overlay that they put in their video every time so that everybody remembers to subscribe to your channel. So I also keep those up in my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and click my layer button and media. And once again, I'm going to go to my favorites. And here you go. Here's my subscribe overlay. It's kind of a silly one, but I like it. I can go ahead and make it nice and small. Maybe put it up here in the corner. And all I have to do now is turn on my green screen or my chroma key. And it's all set. Perfect. So that is number 2. Number 3 is the clip changer. I love this. The clip changer for me is a game changer. How about that? If you have a clip that you want to change, it'll keep everything else lined up. It's going to keep my subscribe overlay right where it is. But all I need to do is click on this. And if I come up to this little file button here, I can go ahead and change my clip. I'm going to go ahead and put a different photo in there. I'm just going to go ahead and grab something from the images as an example. And there we go. Now I can roll that back and you can see that my subscribe overlay has not moved at all. It's still right there, but the picture is completely different. So that would be number 3 of my 5 favorite time savers. All right, let's get ready for number 4. Number 4 has got to be the fade in and fade out settings in the settings bar. So I'm going to go over here and click on the gear. And we have got audio fade in at the start of the project and audio fade out at the end of the project. I very rarely use the fade in, but I often will use the fade out. So if I've got any music in here, it's going to fade that out automatically. The same can be said for the video. You can automatically fade that out, so it's going to fade to black. And you can also fade it in from black if you so chose. Again, I very rarely use the fade in, but I always use the fade outs. So, if we just roll that back, you can see how it fades out. It's a lot easier for me to do it that way than to do it manually. I really, really love that feature. My last and 5th favorite time saver is got to be the skip and jump button. Now I'm going to go ahead and just pop in a couple different images here just so we have something to skip and jump to. Just going to go ahead and pick some random images. Just so we have something to skip and jump to. So here I am at the beginning of my project. If I click on this, it's going to give me different options. I can move to the beginning, I can move to the previous point, or I can move all the way to the end. If I click on it again, I can have the same options. So I can click back to the previous point. I can move all the way back to the beginning. I can move all the way to the end. It just makes it really easy to hop, skip, and jump all the way to wherever you want to be without actually scrolling back and forth. So there you have it. Those are my 5 current top favorite time savers in Kinemaster. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. And if you did, please click the like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.